Improving literacy at the primary level was the focus at the recent Ministry of Education and Youth Region 4 Literacy Fair at the Flanker Primary and Junior High School in St. James.
Boys and girls, are you ready to explore?
The Western Roundup team was present at the event, and we share the highlights with you today. Stay with us. It promises to be good. The loud chatter and laughter at the Flanker Primary and Junior High School on May 19 was a sign that something unusual was taking place on the school grounds.
Correct.
Some 25 schools converged at the Flanker Primary and Junior High School to participate in the 2022 Region 4 Literacy Fair. Aimed at improving literacy and academic performance at the primary level, the competition was tailored for students at all grade levels.
Because it's a literacy fair, we focus mainly on literacy. However, whatever we're doing, we ensure that it is wholesome and it is integrated. The rationale behind of this is to improve literacy in the region, and not only in the region, because what we're sharing, other regions are capturing and they're ensuring that they are on board with the literacy activities. We're tapping into the multiple intelligences, and so we hope for the day to be a successful and solid one.
Among the 25 participating institutions were schools such as the Corinaldi Avenue Primary, Nest Academy, Betheltown All Age, Success Primary, Negril All Age, Dundee All Age, Retrieve All Age, Barneyside Primary, Catherine Hall Primary, Ebba Preparatory and Clifton Primary. Students were given the opportunity to showcase their literacy prowess via several literacy-themed games and activities, including Spell O Fair.
Your word is clubs. Clubs. Country. Sets. Yes. Correct.
Reading comprehension, time or rhyme.
We give you 1 word and you have 1 minute to write as many words as you can. The word is bat. Begin.
There was also a special session for grades 4 and 5 students who will be sitting the primary exit profile PEP examinations. The event, which was a success according to the stakeholders and children, not only showed the academic excellence of the students, but also exhibited how innovative teachers are.
The fair is something that we do annually. What it is that as a group of teachers in the region, we use the literacy fair to actually showcase those teachers that are doing well, having those teachers show to other persons what they have done, have the children also show their work, and so what we're doing is really promoting the best practices. So the fair as we are having it here is really a kind of showcasing for both our students and their teachers.
Overall, the experience was well received and will serve as a benchmark for other schools.
Events like these help to promote literacy as a fundamental aspect of all education. So students need to definitely learn to read and of course read and write, but it also helps them to learn different ways, have a lot of fun in doing it, and get the chance to compete against other schools just to see who can come out on top, you know? It's a very, very good initiative. It also provides teachers with a different outset and innovations that they can try out in the classroom. I'm looking forward to implementing some at Adelphi.
We want children to be aware that literacy is big, and once they are literate, their scope for growth and development, it becomes so wide. So we are so happy to bring our children here for them to have a day not just of learning but of exposure and of fun as well.
The students too found the day's activities very engaging.
It's very important because when we get to participate in these things, it allows us to be more aware of the different activities that are going around, to allow us to have a better chance of understanding certain things like the maths race. So they have a better chance of getting to understand maths, and for them to allow them to have fun.
Reading is important to me because it helps you to learn new things and a lot about culture and so on. I think I will perform well today.
The Regional Literacy Fair was initiated in 2015 and continues to grow each year. That's all for the program today. As usual, thank you for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, stay safe.